Hi guys! If you're planning to give your Chevrolet Corvette C8 a sharper, more aggressive look, you're going to want to check this out. And if this carbon fiber bonnet hood vent ends up being the upgrade you've been searching for, you'll find the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. The Corvette C8 already turns heads everywhere it goes. With its mid-engine layout, sculpted bodywork, and unmistakable supercar proportions, it's one of the most exciting American sports cars on the market. But for many owners, the fun doesn't stop at the factory. Personalizing the car is part of the ownership experience, and sometimes one carefully chosen modification can completely change the personality of the vehicle. That's exactly where this carbon fiber front bonnet hood vent comes into the picture. The first thing you'll notice is the premium carbon fiber finish. It's clean, modern, and instantly gives the front of the Corvette a more exotic appearance. Carbon fiber has become a signature material in high-performance vehicles because it combines lightweight construction with incredible strength while adding a distinctive woven texture that enthusiasts immediately recognize. Another big advantage is that this accessory is designed specifically for the Chevrolet Corvette C8. That means it follows the original body lines instead of looking like a generic aftermarket part. A proper fit makes all the difference, creating an appearance that feels like it belonged on the car from day one. Visually, the transformation is impressive. The front end becomes more aggressive, more focused, and much closer to the styling you'd expect from high-end performance machines. It's the kind of upgrade people notice right away, whether you're arriving at a weekend car meet, parking at a local event, or simply driving through town. Quality is another reason this accessory stands out. Exterior components deal with harsh sunlight, rain, road debris, dust, and changing temperatures every single day. A well-manufactured carbon fiber part is built to handle those conditions while maintaining its premium appearance over time. With proper installation and routine care, it continues looking great for years. Installation is also more straightforward because it's engineered for the Corvette C8 platform. Instead of modifying a universal part, you're installing an accessory created with this specific vehicle in mind. If you've worked on exterior upgrades before, you'll appreciate the precise design. And if you're new to modifications, professional installation can help ensure a perfect finish. One of the best things about this bonnet hood vent is how easily it complements other carbon fiber upgrades. If your Corvette already features a carbon fiber front splitter, mirror caps, rear spoiler, side skirts, diffuser, or interior trim pieces, this addition completes the overall look and creates a consistent performance-inspired theme throughout the car. From a value perspective, this is one of those upgrades that delivers an impressive visual impact without requiring a complete body conversion. Sometimes it's the smaller details that make the biggest difference, and changing one of the most visible areas of the vehicle can dramatically elevate its overall appearance. Whether you're building your dream street car, preparing for automotive events, or simply want something that makes you smile every time you open the garage door, this carbon fiber bonnet hood vent is definitely worth considering. If you're ready to give your Chevrolet Corvette C8 an even more premium and race-inspired appearance, don't forget to visit the purchase link provided in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.